Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Any trades? Nothing from me yet. Absolutely nice move up, and I saw in hindsight perfect long on a silver. Where's my mouse? Silver as well. Look at this perfect long on silver. It was too early on the day. It was around like 6 a.m. setup, so obviously I didn't engage in this trade. But in hindsight, it wasn't bad, right? Yeah, Tradify discount for advanced like $30. It's solid. I have straight to fund, so I'm not going to buy this, but sounds like a deal. Okay, let's see what we may get on gold. We're close to previous day high level, which is also equal highs. So maybe slightly lower to. Let me see. Not sure yet. Nothing yet for me. Like didn't take any trades. Maybe something like this. But I kind of like previous day high. Seems like equal highs. Yesterday we dropped to for our OB. We discussed this before I finish the stream. Okay, going to leave this. Need to keep my chart clean, right? Okay, guys, what is your bias on gold today? Because once again, on silver, it was nice move. I was looking for 50%. Actually, yesterday I had 50%, right? It was a bit over here, but overall, I was looking for 50% yesterday. Adjusted this morning, so 50% tested, and it was honestly solid move up, unfortunately, without me. Guys, any trades today? Did you take something today? Because looks like we got nice move up on gold from this 4-hour OB, but it was hard to engage because setup was around like 5:30 a.m. hard. Also, we got reaction from 4-hour OB over here. See this reaction? Solid. Okay, going to wait for setup, waiting for the retracement, or it's going to take previous day high level first, then I will look for potential reaction retracement. Let's see. Looking for previous day high anyway, after retracement, or it's just going to be straight move up right now. Let's see. NQ. On NQ, I have solid. I'm bearish on NQ overall. I'm bearish. What I saw yesterday, we got like everyone saw this. We got like big range day, trend day, and normally I would like to see an attempt to retrace back to equilibrium of previous day range. On yes, it's 6442.75. On NQ, it's 570.75. So I don't mind to see an attempt to retrace first to short. I don't want to short from this spot just yet. I don't want to trade NQ at all, but I have a plan like looking for retracement and short, something like this. Bearish on the day. I hope it's going to be bearish bias today. Exactly the same idea on yes. CPI low is going to be TP, but please retrace to equilibrium previous the range first. You used to trade. For me, it's easier to short. Long is hard for me. Sometimes I need just invert my chart, right? But yes, after like 3 months of just straight move up, short feels like tricky, right? I'm fine. How are you? Hello, guys. Good morning. Not full board, but I want to believe that on NQ all-time high is in for this month. I don't want to see new all-time high this month. Would like to see lower. Time to drop finally. Just retrace for me first. I'm not sure if both going to retrace to equilibrium of previous range, but on yes, I really would like to see we taking out this level, and then 5-minute OB should offer short. Yes, exactly. September British will be amazing because like major TP right now still remains 1,000 points lower. Major sell side at 22,582.82. That's it. And weekly fair value gap. So here's my key level. I do like to see the drop in there. Hello, hello, George. Yeah. Any trade so far? Nothing good for me yet. It's I would say it's a bit early to short gold. Yes, I do trade gold. I mean, I'm not in trade right now. Okay. I'm looking for previous day high and then retracement or retracement slightly lower back to 50% of this leg up, long to previous day high level. Would like to see previous day high. I'm flat as well, no trades at all. We got interesting move up on silver. It's Hansai trade. It was kind of early. I wasn't at home. I was dropping my kids to school. At 7 a.m. we got long idea. I would say silver looked better than gold. I already recorded the video. I started editing this video for M2 model. It's going to be out this week. Yes, I'm waiting for previous day high on gold. Doesn't make any sense to short, in my opinion, just yet. Feels like obvious target, and if you just zoom out a little bit, you will see we got equal highs at previous day high. Let's pray for previous day high today to look for reaction. Hello, hello, everyone who just joined. Hello, hello. Yeah, silver, it's don't trade minis on silver. We have micros, and yeah, it's a bit harder for me to risk in terms trade in terms of contracts because even with 3 micros, I need to risk like around $200 each time. Like I don't really like this, like bigger risks than on gold. But still, sometimes silver is better. Not going to lie. Yeah, I mean, I do like this. It's still hard for me to use this, but it's good because I don't use my phone a lot. So, like I used my iPhone, for example. So, like, I enjoy my life more than just sitting on my phone, right? But yes, it's okay. Switch to Samsung. I even have Samsung laptop, but not going to use this. I prefer Apple more still. Well, well, well. Oh, okay. First time here, welcome. Welcome. We're trading gold, sometimes in Q, sometimes oil, sometimes silver, but mostly gold. Well, let's see if we pump to previous day high first. Are the OB were? You mean this one? Yeah, our order block is nice, but equal highs. I know, like, I feel like equal highs needs to be taken anyway. Over here. Exactly. About NQ, exactly. I also have this for our fair value gap. And right at 50% of this for our fair value gap, we have equilibrium of previous the range. Oh, you took perfect. It's good for you. So perfect long. It was amazing long, especially from far OB. But this happened during the night. Like, I trade between 7 and 9 a.m. mostly. Setup today was on silver around like 7, but I wasn't at home, so I obviously miss this. I hope gold is going to pump to previous day high and we will try to just react accordingly. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, you like it who traded as this long. Good job. Nothing for me. Today not FOMC but FOMC minutes. It's a bit different, but still my offer volatility. Oh, okay, of course. Yeah, sometimes I forget about this. Sorry about this. Sometimes just focused, like sorry about this. Yes, of course. I will say I'm trying this. Sorry about this, George. I will say I'm trying this. Yeah, of course. I don't use 1 minute chart, but you said we have SMT. I wouldn't trust SMT with silver at a 1 minute chart. I need at least medium time frame SMT, like 50-minute, 30-minute, or hourly. I believe we have room to go higher, so I'm not going to trust SMT just yet. Let's see. I hope to get something good today. I didn't use RSI or something like this. No, I'm just trying to look for overall picture. If it's market maker, let's say sell model, we took previous day low level. I'm just logically trying to think, okay, do we have room to go lower, or it's about to retrace? For beginner traders, my funded futures or take profit trader. Best perfume ever for beginners is my funded futures, of course, and take profit trader. Two best perfumes that I can recommend. TradingView as well. You don't like? Why? I do like them. You don't like them because of support? Or because of trading drawdown on your funded account? Oh, okay, got it. I used to trade with this on Epic, so I'm fine. Yeah. I agree. Some people hate it. And I understand this. My funded teacher is the best. Of course, I agree with you. Best of the best. Yeah, some people hate trailing. I know. I used to trade with this on Epic, so that's fine. On silver, yeah, it's hindsight trade. I didn't take this. So basically, it was potential hourly sweep over here, right? Sorry, a bit lower, but you got the point. And 5 minute change in the state of delivery confirm this potential sweep. And trades open of next candle, stop loss, swing low. I'm going to aim for 2R. You want to see 10 points drop right now? Depends. So if you want to short this, unfortunately, I will not see short setup because look at this up close candle so far. Hello, Jack. Hello. Yeah. Even if it's going to retrace 10 points, I don't mind because it's going to be 50% of this leg up. The only problem, we are not going to get set up for this. It's better just wait for the retracement to try to long this. Hello, everyone who just joined. Good morning. Maybe it just will pump to previous day high and let's see if it's going to offer any setup. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, guys. No stream tomorrow. Going to Miami, but going to come back on Friday. I'm going to come back on Friday night. I hope to stream on Friday. Not sure yet. It's not going to be FOMC. It's FOMC minutes. It's a bit different. No FOMO? No FOMO. It's okay. Remember, you need to get set up. Yeah, it's like business trip, exactly. You short called? Why? Where's your stop loss? I know, previous day high makes million sense to me. Oh, your entry is a bit aggressive because you probably use for ROB or hourly OB for your entry, but you didn't get confirmation lower time frame. So stop loss above previous day high doesn't really make sense if you used hourly chart. Hello, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't short this as well. I didn't need to get any confirmation of smart money reversal. I will accept any to at least anticipate retracement. I'm not saying like we cannot retrace now. I just saying like I don't see any signs of short setup. But if you see this, of course, I'm happy for you. Try this. I'm not going to stop anyone from $1. Oh, woohoo! You aiming for previous day high level? I'm just saying, like, I don't want to short. That's it. If you're in short, it's okay. If this means you saw setup, this means you're fine. I'm just saying I don't see setup yet. Called cup pattern. Interesting. What is this? Make reversal when first one. Okay, got it. Here's 2 points, previous day high is not only previous day high, but also equal highs. I mean, short can play out. I'm not saying like it's not going to play out because I cannot see the future, but I'm saying like I cannot see setup to enter short trade on gold yet. Still not, yeah, no setup for me yet. Maybe something on silver. It makes SMT with silver. Okay, got it. You said on 1 minute chart, right? Okay, I mean, like, once again, if you see setup, I'm not going to stop you. This means you saw setup, you entered, you consider your risk. So you're ready to, for example, to take a loss in case it's going to go not in your favor. So I cannot like say it's wrong, right? It's going to be stupid to say this because I cannot know. I cannot know this. It's impossible to know this. So we have minor SMT on 20-minute chart, which obviously I'm not going to consider just yet because look at this up close candles. So far just looks like 50-50. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So no trades yet. Thank you. Okay. We'll probably just watch silver for now. I'm keeping my eyes on gold, but as I said, I wouldn't short this move just yet. It's nothing for me. Once again, just yet. So close to previous day highs. If it's going to reverse, I will feel like week so far is nice. Like I didn't stream and I didn't trade on Monday. I took a win yesterday and nothing today. So far, just one winning trade, and it's only Wednesday. I will not be able to trade tomorrow. Maybe on Friday something, but I can get at least 2-3 trades this week because I mostly aim for just one trade a day. Let's see how it goes. So we're approaching OT on silver. Let me, by the way, extend these lines. Yeah, approaching this OT. Oh, $400 yesterday. I traded 6 micros only. Not a big deal, but on all accounts, not Epics, other accounts. Traded just 6 micros. So approaching OT, let's see. Silver looks way more bullish than gold overall. Yeah, so how yesterday we expected where it was. How we expected daily open. Usually daily open is my biggest concern to hold the trade, right? With Replikanto, you can add as many as you want on Ninja Trader, as long as it's straightaway connection. I will do updated version. It's still hard to find the time to do everything right. I will do, I promise. Going to wait for setup on gold. Yesterday waited for 2 hours to get 7 points, a bit more than 7 points. Okay, it just 3 points away from previous day high level. Really want to see previous day high first. CL just took 62%, so basically we entered OT. I don't mind to trade silver today as well. Once again, I miss this trade. It's just like hindsight trade. But let's see if we get another opportunity. Previous day high already equal highs. I don't want to see like another attempt to take this. Tap this, but not take this. See this? Over here. On lower time frame, that's equal highs. I'm not going to stick to my bias. If I see invalidation of bullish move, I will accept this, will look for short. I see nothing wrong with this. Initially I was looking for short from previous day high level. So far we just tested rejection block, and I call this equal bodies. Not really swing trader. Equal bodies, trying to respect this equal bodies. Rejection block can be considered as liquidity level. Let me change the color. But I see zero signs of short just for me. It's what time frame? 1 hour. RB rejection block. Not going to type the whole word. So yeah, basically respecting these equal bodies on hourly. Yeah, I consider this the same way as equal lows, by the way, or equal highs. You love trading rejection blocks? I don't really like this because normally price trying to take liquidity level, but yes, ICT said like long time ago rejection block can be considered as liquidity level. At what time? Okay, I got it. So Asia kill zone, not session, between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. New York time. And oops. London kill zone, 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. New York time. On NQ, I already said that, so I'm bearish on NQ and yes for the day, but 1 second. But since we got big range yesterday, I don't really mind to see an attempt to retest equilibrium of previous range, at least on one asset, preferably ES at 6442.75, and I will look for short from that level. Maybe NQ will test daily open, like maybe it will enter for fair value gap, short to monthly open. But what I would like to see on ES, we're taking out equilibrium of previous range, we're going to CPI low. I'm bearish on the day, bearish bias. Just here's a spot that I'm not interested in just yet for shorts. I'm not saying we cannot drop from this spot. Possibly. Of course, everything can happen. But I don't want to see slightly higher first to short this. Yeah, previous day high looks obvious. So far, kind of struggling. But once again, if I see any invalidation, I will accept this. We'll look for short on gold. I was born in Belarus, but I moved to US long time ago. When I was 18. Yeah, you were waiting for this. That's silver. Maybe, yeah, I will accept like, okay, we will not go to previous day high level. We already ended rejection block. If it will offer sign of smart money reversal on 5-minute chart on gold and on silver, I will accept situation. Okay, I am wrong. We will not go to previous day high level. But since we don't have, just for now, any signs of smart money reversal, I will stay with my bias. Okay, probably 520 zone. Yes, exactly. It works for me. It's 520 is part of a fair value gap. Yes, I do agree with this. Bias and Q, I'm more bearish. Exactly. Projection there. Yeah, let's see. Especially if NQ can pump higher, right? At this point, gold can try to take previous day high level to offer short. Let's see, guys. Only 3 points away. Why not to take previous day high level? Just asking. But it's okay. I waited for 2 hours yesterday. I'm ready to wait again. Is gold That's a great question. I have no idea. You mean this one, right? Yeah. I'm on 1 hour chart right now. August 18. Okay. And you said midnight. Okay. So basically you consider this as target? 33.93? In Spanish, please. I don't speak Spanish. Cannot help you with this. So I have probably a plan. Obviously not a trade, just a plan. If it's going to close above sequence of done close candles, I would like to see pump. It's not a trade, it's just possible confirmation of previous of move up to take previous day high level. Oh yeah, it's right above previous day high. You should be okay. Trading gold. Yesterday I tried 6 micros, but normally 10-15 micros, depends on stop loss. Yesterday it was wrong time to trade this, so I reduced size to 6 micros. Depends, you know. Every time different. I don't have like I do trade only like 15 micros and 10 micros. Yes, I do trade micros only. Just depends on stop loss. It's very low. It's like 85% right now. If I'm going to make this like 100%, it's going to be too loud for other people. Should be okay. It's 85%. That's a lot. Okay, I'm going to just wait. I'm fine to wait. Shorts. Let's see. We just took 2 levels on gold on 1 hour chart, rejection block, and I call this equal bodies. So what do I mean by equal bodies? See this? Close and open at the same price. Equal bodies. I consider this the same way as equal highs normally. I'm not sure if I can do this because I never seen some people do this, but why not? It works from time to time. But yeah, if gold is going to offer any signs of smart money reversal next, I don't know, like 10 minutes, I will agree with short. But for now, since we don't have smart money reversal just yet, maybe we'll get this. I will wait for previous day high first. As well as silver doesn't want to provide any structure yet. But so far, once again, it needs to offer 5 minutes smart money reversal to short this, in my humble opinion. Oh, I hope your exam is going to go well. Really? No, not trades. Nothing yet. Setup was offered at around like 6:50 a.m. today. I didn't see this. I wasn't at home at this time. Yeah, you will be good. Don't worry. Yeah, gold was nice overall. I do like this. Just please pump to previous the high. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Okay, what else? I'm not going to blindly, short right from previous day high level, but I'm looking what level I can use for this. A speedy ray? Going to it was min threshold of daily OB. We already tested. I'm going to delete this for now. Here's buy side. Like overall, guys, let me hide drawings to show you something. See this picture? We entered for our OB. We discussed this yesterday. That's nice. But see, we still don't have change in the state of delivery. It's trying, but we need to get the closure. We are going to find out in 40 minutes if it's going to close above to offer change in the state of delivery, or if it's going to close within this range, should offer reaction lower. Retracement lower, not talking about reversal. I'm bullish on NQ as well. Yes, same plan. But my plan on NQ is to look for retracement higher too. Not on NQ, on ES. It's mostly on ES. My plan on ES preferably to get a retracement up to equilibrium of previous range and short all the way down to CPI low. Like CPI low is my key level, key target. It can retrace. I see nothing wrong with retracement. Like I already said, for retracement, I don't want to see, so basically from this low, not from this. I'm going to adjust, give me 1 second. From this low to this high, I will accept, okay, it wants to retrace to 50%. If it's going to retrace, that's fine. I still would like to be bullish, but I mentioned before, so I would like to see previous day high because at least nothing invalidates bullish bias just yet. We don't have smart money reversal, we have absolutely nothing to short this. That's why I'm sitting on my hand just yet. I'm not saying like we cannot drop. Once again, totally possible to see move to 50%. Like something like this. But I know I would like to see previous day high. It's not FOMC, it's FOMC minutes. It's a bit different. It will offer volatility, but it's a bit different once again. $9.17. Again, nothing to trade in pre-market on gold. Why? Why? What's wrong with you, gold? Okay, here's 9 a.m. open. Maybe empty model. You want to close at previous day high? Yeah, that's smart decision. Even if you want to aim for higher, smart decision to close at the obvious liquidity level, right? But chappy. So maybe or yeah, maybe something like this. What do you think? It's in queue. For empty model, just in case it wants to offer empty model, probably I don't want to see something like this. Where entry for empty model is going to be somewhere here. To pump and then short. Or just going to be straight move down because like why not? Why not to just trap with no any like retracement? It's okay. So lots of failure swings so far. On yes, we have low resistance to downside, which confirms actually. I do like something like this once again. Sharp move up and down. I hope we are going to get drawn liquidity, monthly open. 23,308.50 is my key level on NQ and 6402.25. Yes, that's two key levels that I'm watching right now. As possible draw on liquidity for today. I'm bearish guys, but if it made a trace higher first, it will be better. Gold trying to offer smart money reversal for retracement to 50%. Where is my gold? To 50%, 3379.90. I'm looking for structure on 5-minute chart. Something like this. Oops. Something like this. Only at this point I will say, okay, here is a confirmation that yes, price is going to OTE first, below this blue line. Otherwise, I don't see any reason right now to engage. Even if it wants to drop right now, I will be happy to miss this because I'm trying to follow the model. We don't have any entry yet, for me, using the model. Because I can anticipate like anything. I can anticipate move higher than drop, but in reality, it's just going to drop. Market doesn't care what I want to see, right? But on NQ, I would like to see slightly higher, on ES also, and then short. Yeah. So, like, once again, no reason to expect something. Let's see what structure offers us, right? Retracement where? Where I would like to see retracement? I will be okay with OT retracement. But I don't want to just for now short this. Let's check silver just for confirmation. Silver still remains more bullish than gold. So structure for downside will be closure below blue line on 3 or 5-minute chart. CDXY, let me check. Which one? Yeah, DXY definitely looks more bearish. Wait a minute, if DXY looks more bearish on daily with current structure, why not to pump to previous day high level? Yeah, look how potential data sweep was confirmed by hourly OB over here. Let's see where it's going to be 2R. If DXY can drop right at the open to sell side, or at least for a value gap over here, gold at this point can pump to previous day high level? Maybe. It's not a FOMC, it's a FOMC minutes. It's a bit different, guys. Okay. No matter what I can see right now on DXY or gold, I don't see the model to enter it. So who cares? Bad audio. I'm checking settings, it's fine. Let me. What about now? Because I didn't change any settings since yesterday. Like, same settings as I had yesterday. I see gold. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Gold still does not provide structure yet on 5-minute chart. So no closure yet. You can Google this or ask ChatGPT. It's going to give you better answers than I'm going to give you. Mm-hmm. So what can happen? Like two scenarios. First scenario can be we dropping down to OT to pump to previous day high level, or I know what else can happen. Like previous day high is equal highs. I don't know. Like I will wait for setup anyway. No reason for me to predict right now. I see absolutely nothing to short. No matter what, if I want to see lower or I don't want to see lower, no model here. So just going to sit on hand. I can sit until like 11:30, so I have 2 hours. I'm fine. So no closure, just sweep so far. Potential sweep. Look at silver. Silver also. Silver more bullish. Once again, I will wait. Nothing significant happened just yet since 8:30 a.m. Yeah, it's kind of slow everywhere. Not about CL. I don't really like CL recently. Really cannot frame good setup yet. Didn't take any trades for at least 2-3 weeks on CL. Maybe because it's overall choppy. We do have low resistance to upside. So basically we're still trying to respect trend line, right? Interesting. Okay. Displacement also good confirmation of shift and structure, right? Yes, displacement is nice to have. But anyway, even if you're going to get displacement, I will look for just OT for now. I will be surprised to see like just sell off. But yeah, I see like one concern. Where is my where is this tool? See this guys? Here. Oh, not this one. I'm going to just use that to show you. Like here, here, here. It's failure swings over here, right? Which means like low resistance as well. Okay. Anyway. Light color. I don't know, like hard for me to see something on dark background, like black one, for example. Still no closure. We have 50 seconds. Let's see where this 5-minute candle is going to close, below blue line or above. Because if above, probably it will pump to previous day high. This is what we are waiting for. Yes, one you see potential sweep on 15, then yes, 1-minute order block should confirm this. I just don't use 1-minute chart. It's a bit noisy for me. I prefer maybe 2-minute chart. But best for gold is 3 and 5-minute chart using 30-minute and hourly structure. I got it. So I like light colors on on chart. I don't know what what. So okay, we'll use it. I was talking about the chart as well. So we didn't get the closure on 5-minute chart below this blue line. So let's see what will happen next. Market is open. Yeah. Okay, give us something, gold. You ready to wait? Even on 3-minute chart, we didn't get the closure just yet. It's the same. 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, it's the same right now. So can we pump to previous the high level? I'm just asking. I'm going to hate if it's going to take all day to deliver there. Let's check YM. Quick check on YM. People ask me to check YM from time to time, so yes, I will do this. We just tested equilibrium of previous range. You know, I expected to get equilibrium of previous range on ES and NQ, but YM already delivered. No, please. Let's see Trace first to drop this. Once again, monthly open and CPI low on ES is my key levels, target for the day. But please don't drop right at the open. Well, it's funny because what I expect to get on NQ and ES always happens on YM. Why? Who can explain this magic? Okay, I already said like makes sense to offer retracement first. We're still inside consolidation. Gold. Come on, just previous day high. That's all I ask. Once again, still no trades. I'm looking for previous day high, maybe slightly higher for reaction. ES was in consolidation. 3 points away. Manipulation. Okay, I got it. Silver is still extremely bullish. Between 9:30 and 11, that's fine. Recently, 11, like, it's slow, but still deliver us, offers a model. So normally I look for 9:50, 10:10, and I consider after 10:10 it's becoming slow normally, right? So, but yeah, yesterday I took the trade around like 10:40 or something like this. That's why it's important to get the structure first. For example, even if, let's say, you saw the break, but we never got the closure, it's already fake. Fake change in the state of delivery. In Q, 80 points away from my drawn liquidity. Okay, once again. Empty model never was presented, never ever. It's my daily target, it's my daily target. By the way, I never tried to trade empty model on gold. Never ever. Okay. That's my key level. Previous day high. Maybe slightly higher, it's okay as well. Like, let's see. I will highlight area for retracement. I have bigger area, but I will do this smaller for now. Why? Because I used to trade just, like potential sweeps. I don't want to add something new because I'm going to just probably overcomplicate this. If I see, let's say I see potential 30-minute sweep for short, like 3-minute order block formed, while M2 model screaming like, let's long this. I just want to trade one model on gold because so far it works for me. It doesn't mean like it doesn't work, right? It works. Just trying to stick to one model. As long as it works, so no reason to switch. It works really well in London, in Asia, like any session, right? I also find consistency using this, especially on gold, using potential sweeps. It was really helpful for me as well. Yeah, right now it's a bit boring because nothing is going on. We got pump and price just stuck since 8:30 a.m. in small range. That's why it's a bit boring right now. Look at silver. Keep going higher. We're approaching for our OB. It's slightly higher. Maybe we'll go there. That's why I'm surprised to see. Okay, um, if NQ right now wants to manipulate, silver still bullish. Gold needs to pump to previous day high level. That's nice. At this point, if NQ wants to manipulate first before going higher, because YM still just trying to break the room. At this point, gold can offer a reaction from previous day high for us. Okay. Why it's so slow? Pump here. That's all I ask. Yes, I use sequence of candles, up close or down close candles for my um order block. And yes, I'm waiting for potential sweep confirmed by order block. Just praying right now for gold to pump too. No, I didn't take long. It was too early on the day for me to enter this. But if you enter this trade, it's amazing job. It was solid reaction from for our OB over here. I'm watching for previous day high because previous day high equal highs and end of market maker buy model on lower time frame. Oh, good job. Yeah. Also silver over at exactly same setup, but nothing for me. It's okay, so I'm going to just give it a time. Did you see silver? Exactly same setup on 5-minute chart. We got sweep, potential sweep confirmed by 5-minute OB, then long. Funny to say, but we never. If I wasn't this trade, I never wasn't true down. Oh, that's lots of money. Okay, it's not my trade, so why it's so slow? Yeah, I switched like a couple of months ago. I normally trade gold 99% of the time. I switched from NQ because it was hard for me to trade NQ from any setups. I was pretty much wrong with bias because I was looking for shorts, retracements. It just was straight move up. Yeah, summer was hard for me. I switch. NQ 5-minute chart, of course. It's 5-minute chart. No, I'm looking for previous day high taken on gold, and then I will look for potential reaction. Maybe slightly higher. I am at home right now. Oh, please send me a message on Twitter, so I will try to help you with this. Oh, US. I live in Florida. We don't have empty model, but I believe empty model needs to be for long. Maybe reaction from New York midnight open. I just disappointed to see it was a straight move down without pump where I want to see like far fair value gap and short monthly open. That's why no trades. I'm fine with this. Considering, okay, let's talk about potential sweep over here. We got potential sweep on 30-minute chart. It was confirmed by 3-minute OB over here, right? Where is 2R? Let's just see. I'm not going to take this trade, just interesting to see. 66 point stop loss, okay. Two are right at 50% of daily order block. That's too much. I agree with you. I still don't like this. I still hate NQ. But no reason to watch gold because gold needs to take previous day high. I'm just going to probably stay right for now just on NQ. We'll keep you updated, guys. I opened the gold on my another screen. Also silver. Maybe silver will offer something. I know, like I don't feel comfortable with NQ. If it was gold, I would take this trade. Internal order blocks always tricky. Always. I agree with you. For example, this daily OB is internal order block. And when I was trying to find any PD, I was like, internal order block, but I didn't see any other levels. For example, we have equal bodies. You can use equal bodies as well. Pretty often we can see the action. But no way I'm going to trade this. Still flat. I didn't even open NQ chart today. But I will keep my eyes on gold and on Q anyway. But just interesting to see if it's going to play out. And remember, you asked me about why I don't want to use 2-minute model and 30-minute sweep because empty model on NQ right now must be long, but potential sweep for short. That's why it's hard for me to like mix two models. Just need to take previous day high. What about to take previous day high in gold? Just asking. 33.8. Okay, it's somewhere here. Okay. It's previous day high level. That's my key level. Really want to see something like this. Hi, team. Oh, nice money. Good job. Oh, gold. You look so nice. Isn't that amazing, guys? Look at this. It just broke the roof. Okay, right now it's time. Yeah, finally. It just took forever. Like, forever. That's it. Inside key area. Let's see what we can do. All accounts were sent yesterday, and I asked some people who received accounts. They said yes, everything is fine. Check your email; it should be on your email. Not yet. Don't short gold just yet. Be smart. So it's just about to take monthly open. Yeah, of course. It already took monthly open. It was my target for the day. So right now is a question how we can respect this level. Yes, still above New York midnight open. Yes, needs to go lower. Okay, right now we can retrace. Why? Because both traded below New York midnight open. Like not necessary, but we still can retrace from New York midnight open on ES and monthly open on NQ. But it's not even like 2 hour. It's a bit more than 1 hour, 1 hour trade. A bit stuck on ES over here. I don't see sell yet. I mean, perfect rejection. Let's see if we get 3-minute OB at least. I will keep you updated with gold, guy. I see gold. It's open right in another screen. I can see everything. We don't have change in structure yet, change in the state of delivery. So, monthly open taken, we have 50% of daily OB, we have CPI low lower. But once again, I can anticipate reaction from monthly open and New York midnight open. Oh, 3R. Oh, nice. I didn't see this as 2R yet, or 3R. It's barely like 1.4R or so. Can retrace soon. So if you're in this short, you can trail your stop loss, I guess. I'm watching gold right now. I will keep you updated. I have gold on my another screen. Woohoo! Congratulations, finally. But it was good trade. 1 minute breaker. Good job. I'm saying like since yes, struggled with break below New York midnight open, it makes sense to trail stop loss. Here was example of potential sweep on NQ and chat 3-minute OB, basically closure below up close candle and shadow open of next candle, and then stop loss swing high and then 2R. Well, okay guys, let's see. Right from my key area, good rejection. What about 5-minute chart? Okay, question like 50-50 right now, but the question is if we are going to close below sequence, just one up close candle, can we retrace the OT? Which one? This one. That's 50%. Okay. can we do something like this if it's going to close? That's it. Yes, look at yes right now. That's it. Yes, approaching right now CPI low. That's it. No chance anymore. Mm-hmm. It is what it is. Once CPI low taken, I don't have targets for the day. That's it. CPI low taken. Where I can go right now? I know, like 0.92, but it's like 120 points away. It just straight moved down. That's that's interesting. You know why I decided to keep CPI low on my chart? Because NQ took CPI low, I guess, next day after CPI, while ES didn't even try to do this. That's why I decided to keep this on my chart. You know, heard like he was joking around, so all emails with giveaway were sent yesterday. No, it wasn't empty model. It was potential sweep, 3-minute OB. That's it. But I'm not going to lie, I didn't believe in this trade initially. But in reality, just straight move down. Crazy. I still don't like NQ, nothing changed. How many points it dropped? Like 133 points. What? It's okay if you closed your trade. Don't never be sad like if you closed early. You follow your rules. Look at the CPI low taken right now approaching previous peak low level. So I have no idea where we can go. We have daily equal bodies, but also I don't see something good right now on go to trade. So don't be sad. It's okay. This happens. Guys, do you understand? We just got straight moved down. And I really only see one good opportunity, like not in hindsight, but even in real time, I only saw these setups. That's it. Like nothing on 1 minute chart, like ugly inversion. Oh, by the way, 2 minute chart maybe, but 3 minute chart according to the model. Yeah, positive vibes only. It's already dropped like 200 points from the limit of B. That's crazy. But initial stop loss was 66 points as well. Guys, what level you have lower? Let's try to find levels. Let's try to compare. I just cannot like believe it's going to drop to, for example, 821.75. No trades for me on gold yet. First, let's compare, guys. If it just wants to drop, where it wants to drop. Over here. I see. I will call this major low. 100. Okay. All right. Oh, 45, oh, 36. Okay, I see, I see. Okay, major low then. Previous week low taken on ES. I really have nothing on ES. It's fine. Like I was waiting for for short like every single day for the last 3 months. And in reality, they just dropping like 400 points in a day without any problems. Yeah, let's see if we get second stage of redistribution. But for this, we need to retrace. Let's try to find projections, guys. I believe projections are done. So no reason to look for them, but we will try anyway. Yeah, it's done. Oh, well, which leg I can use? We have SMT. Okay, I can use this leg then. It lines up. So yeah, it's all done. Projections done. I don't have any levels lower. Oops. Previous week low taken on both assets, yes, and NQ. For SMT indicator, absolutely. Of course I can. I have a video about this, by the way, as well. Okay, okay. Oh, you're welcome. So happy to be helpful. SPX slightly lower. Let me see. We didn't take this, right? Huh. Hard to short gold at this point when we got such a big move down. Approaching. Let's set alert. I believe it's going to be taken like in a moment, but still. I believe on NQ, maybe I'm wrong, but I believe all-time high is in, at least for this month, maybe for the second month, next month, like September. It's time to drop finally. Sorry, guys, let me. Potential sweep. I do like to see lower, guys. Since it's potential sweep, I need to use daily chart. Yes. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm watching for sell side at 762 at least, maybe slightly lower. If I go on weekly, I don't mind to see we drop into weekly fair value gap. So basically, weekly fair value gap on NQ is my target for maybe until the end of month, but maybe for today. I don't know if it's going to drop like how many points we need to drop, like 700 points. I know, maybe. But I'm aiming for previous week low level, not previous week low level, weekly fair value gap. I have this on my chart. Sorry, guys, lots of levels. Major sell side, and I'm aiming for major sell side. Probably it will not happen today, but who is in long? No, not me. For the tracement, maybe something like this. What do you think, guys? Will it present opportunity for empty model to long this? But once again, it's just retracement. I'm not talking about just reversal. Just yet. Just yet. Silver still bullish, by the way. On the crystal ball, by the way. I need to wipe dust from this. Didn't use it for a long time. Didn't have the closure. Okay, we don't have the closure just yet. We don't have second stage of free distribution just yet, so let's see if we get that one. Gold, please. I don't like gold just yet. We got change in the state of delivery, but my concern by engaging this was sell off on NQ. We cannot sell on gold and NQ at the same time. Definitely, since silver was bullish from the very beginning in Q and ES just offered hard sell off, obviously I'm not going to try sell on gold just yet. Considering this order block, nothing yet. So we'll keep you updated with setup. I still see nothing that's worth to try. I will keep you updated, guys. If I see any setup. I mean, nothing to trade yet. I am happy to provide for at least something, like nothing. We didn't get. It's done close candle, right? Yeah. We didn't get the closure. Pretty much same level as open of this candle. So there is no empty model. I believe empty model not going to provide 2R today. But at least retracement up to this untapped fair value gap, yes. SPX will drop lower, which makes sense to offer like retracement for the second stage of the distribution, like at least where I pointed retracement. Guys, what is your idea about retracement? Do you want to see retracement, or this consolidation is enough to drop to 045, 092, like another 90, maybe 150 points lower? What do you think? Just lower? Okay. I'm wondering if lower is going to be off this order block. One second. Huge range, like it doesn't look like 50 points. Just looking at the candlesticks. 30 seconds left on this candle. No ancient gold just yet. Don't want to, like blindly enter the short position. 17 seconds left on this candle. Let's see where we can close on both and ES and Q. What about SPX? SPX is about to take sell side. Close to this. Okay, I will get alert. Well, we got the closure on both ES and Q. SPX just took sell side. Okay, SPX just took sell side. Needs to get displacement at this point to deliver immediately to, I would say, equal bodies at least. So still not in. Still nothing good for me yet. But yeah, we got order block. I'm wondering, yeah, I believe, let's switch by the way on gold real quick. Let's discuss real quick. Potential trade. That's the biggest issue right now, to look for short on gold and on Q at the same time. Hate it. Always so tricky to me. SMC at highs? Why it doesn't highlight SMC on my chart? Let's see how big risk at this point is going to be. 6 points. Okay, above order block, 6 points anyway. Hate it to short. Look for short on both assets. Yes, I mean in Q and gold. We got the closure, not yet. It's dropping like nothing. That's funny. Like 60 points. Still no closure, so we don't have to 3-minute OB just yet. We are waiting for order block on gold to be confirmed. Nothing yet. Okay. It's only 10. Still inside by the way 950 and 1010 micro. No closure still. 2 minutes left on that candle. It's really like 40 points away from next sell side on ES. I don't have any other levels. Yeah, it sounds strange, but normally if gold is going down and NQ is going down, NQ manipulating. If I'm looking for a short, obvious intersection of high time trend on NQ and gold offering short setup as well, probably gold will reverse to upside again. It's not coincident, but I cannot use it as SMT, you know, like between gold inverse correlation, right? I cannot use this, but normally they goes in opposite directions. Exactly the same way you use, for example, you use DXY and gold. Not gold, like Forex players, right? Like Yevro, for example. But yes, I'm saying this. Crazy, right? It's not trash, it's just kind of big range. I don't know why. Like 120 points over here. Right now it's like 50 points with just one candle on 3-minute chart. And it's going to be another like 120 points if it's going to deliver. I hope so. But yes, hate to wait. But no way I'm going to chase. Let's check 15-minute chart. We have 15-minute untapped for a value gap. Why doesn't it want to provide order block? We have order block on 15-minute chart. No closure, right? Are you serious? No closure. Is a joke? Still, guys, no closure. See this? Annoying. Yeah. No complaints. We always have tomorrow. 1 hour chart. 15-minute OB, hourly fair value gap. But the only issue is no entry. On gold? Okay. I believe it's going to be the same. I feel like 3-minute order block, yes, exactly the same as 5-minute order block. It's same levels. As I can see. Silver doesn't have potential sweep. But we do have SMT, which is... No, we don't really have SMT. Nothing. We took this... See, guys, I like this equal bodies as like key levels, considering this as equal lows. Yeah, maybe it's not done yet, but see, it's trying to react. Yeah. Gold playing games with me. Don't mind to trade gold, but nothing. See how gold playing games right now? We need this order block, basically on a 5-minute chart. No closure. Why? Okay, I'm going to wait more. I'm happy with this. Ready to wait for another 1 hour. If nothing, then nothing. I will try to trade tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I will not be able to trade tomorrow, but on Friday. No short on gold, nothing yet. I said if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles, should offer something like this. At least back to this fair value gap. If not like this, but something like this. But need to get shift and structure for this. Still nothing. Still nothing. I don't think like NQ dropped 400 points because of like FOMC minutes today. Just trust me. Not sure about YM. Hard to analyze, YM. Good job today. See you on Friday, I guess. Because of ICT logo. Well, all right. Still lots of points to drop, like 38 points to drop to for our sell side. Going to sleep without without a meal. Okay. Just trade with couple of micros, I guess. But yeah, 66 point stop loss over here and 57 point stop loss over here. Yeah, forget about retracement. You asking for too much. You're called choppy right now. Okay, we have low resistance to downside on YM. YM drop doesn't look so bad, like comparing to NQ and ES, for example. Okay, it's 20-minute potential sweep. Huge order block doesn't make any sense for me to engage. Still flat. I don't feel comfortable to short long, to short gold while NQ needs to go lower as well. I know. CL is just garbage right now. What about silver? Reaction from equal bodies so far. Nothing changed. SPX just tapped into okay, old gap, right? Oh, new gap. Okay, let me see. I see. We never touched this before. Okay. But still, there is no any signs of reaction yet. I mean, yes, it shrank, but we don't have any change in the state of delivery just yet. Still nothing to engage. Hope to get something that worth to trade on gold. No closure just yet on 5. Because we have potential sweep, like already confirmed sweep on hourly, but we don't have confirmed potential sweep on 30-minute chart. That's why we need to use 5-minute chart. And we don't have order block just yet. Right. We don't have 30 minutes. Oh, you mean for long? Because for short, we don't have potential 30-minute sweep. But we have potential hourly sweep. It's already not potential, it's already sweep. And we didn't get the closure, see? On 5. Oh, you cannot see. Sorry, guys. You can see we don't have the closure. Just weekend so far. Still waiting, so I don't have any other choice. Just wait. Maybe nothing for me on gold at all. So, as you already know, SPX touches old RCH gap. And trying to respect 25%. Switching on 2-minute chart. We just got 2-minute change in the state of the. Let's see, by the way. Because M2 model is still valid on NQ. Let me move a little bit to the left. How big stop loss? So right now I'm just going to see how big stop loss at this point. Okay, 76. What? It's like, it doesn't look realistic just yet. SPX reached 25% of old RTH gap. We hit this daily equal bodies. I'm not sure what level we hit on ES. Something here. Oh, basically equal bodies as well, and trying to respect these equal bodies. Well, exactly same level. I'm not sure it looks realistic, guys. I'm not going to lie. I don't like this at all. I like the shorts more than this long. Are you sure about what? About this long? I'm not sure about this long. At all. I still believe in gold. I hope it's going to offer something good. Your stop is too tight for short. You mean this one? I'm not going to take this. No, not in this long. I was just trying to find how big stop loss. Find out how big stop loss. No, not in this. I'm still watching gold, so nothing changed. So far, just flat guys on the day. I'm fine with it. Just annoying. Gold just stuck inside consolidation. After such a huge sell off, longs, I know, hard to believe in this. But yes, SPX trying to respect first support level. Nothing to short on gold, unfortunately. It's already 10:27 and I didn't see good solid setup on gold today at all. But it had set up around like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Yeah, I'm not going to take any longs. It's just hard to believe in them. Look at silver, guys. Price action already dead. See this? It's already a good signal just to stay away. Especially, like, I don't see any decent to long while it left major low on a kilo lower. And to add to what I said before, this setup never was invalidated. It's still valid. We just retrace back to this entry. It's still valid, I would say. See gold pumping while NQ is dropping, so that's normal picture. ES dropping as well. All right, guys. Yeah, nothing invalidates the short should drop lower. Maybe even lower than this major sell side over here at 0.45. Maybe even to. No, it's too much to ask. Another 200 points? Probably not. You said you wouldn't mind to see 63.51. At this point, doesn't make sense not to go to 63.24.50. You want to see monthly open on years. Okay, let me check. This one, okay. I have monthly open in Q, but never highlighted this on years. Yeah, if ES wants to drop to monthly open, we'll take major low over here. Hate trend days. Oh, it is 5-minute chart. Let me see what we have on M and Q just to compare. Gold, nothing. Silver, just tight consolidation. And Q still bearish. Left some lows lower. Let's see. Let's open 1-minute chart. We got distortion. We broke above distortion high. Yeah, it's bearish. It's second stage of redistribution right now. On 1-minute chart, it's better to see than on 3-minute chart. On 2-minute chart as well, by the way. I think in Q will go lower as well. Oh, no, of course. If you wasn't able to find entry based on your model, it's okay. You know, market is not going to close tomorrow. And it's not going to close in 1 month. You always have another chance. Tomorrow, on Friday, next week, next month, next year. So it's okay. Missing like 1 day with 100 points move down, absolutely okay. You don't need to care about it. Just trust me. Finding ticks. I will do giveaway of finding ticks. I'm about to disconnect accounts because it's already too late to trade gold. Yesterday, gold setup was offered at this time. Nothing is going on so far, which makes me feel like probably nothing for me today at all on gold, unfortunately. CL was ugly today, ugly. Oh, YM took sell side. Okay, that's why we're trying to respect. Let's see how YM is going to respect this level then. We have potential SIP, but this potential SIP must be confirmed by 3-minute OB. So basically, we need to close above open of this candle to consider move up. No, no, thank you. Yeah, ES needs to drop at least 13 points lower. Platinum, I never analyze this. Let's do quick top-down analysis. Can I trade platinum on my funded futures? That's a great question. Need to see this because I know. Flat candle. Daily inside consolidation, so nothing on daily. We have BPR. We're trying to just pick this BPR. I'm not sure if it's ICT concept applies to this. Never tried. So basically, you ask me about sweep over here, right? What level you would like to aim for? This one? Lots of flat candles. Something like this on platinum? Never tried this. Matter of time. Fortunately, it didn't offer good setups as well to short this. So no losses taken. 13.25 actually. Yeah. You were the first person who trades platinum. At least I never seen these people. And you start consolidating. It's 10:40, so let's see. I am going to steam next 40-50 minutes. Still believe gold can offer something. Time is so slow. I feel like it's already 11:30, but it's only 10:30, 8 a.m. I wish I could take any trades on gold, but nothing. Absolutely nothing for me today. Really want to trade pre-market. I even started early, but pre-market didn't offer anything today. I didn't mind to short gold from this order block, but as you can see, we swept this like 3 times, never closed. So obviously nothing to short here. So maybe it will try to see new high, this high again, offer new high of the day, and then another attempt to drop. So I will keep my eyes, but it's already too late to trade gold. I don't know if it's going to offer something. YM will be bullish above this blue line. Only above this blue line, I will probably look for potential move higher. Silver nothing, gold nothing. And Q needs to continue dropping, so yes, approaching this monthly open. Like needs to drop another like 13 points. Yeah, I wasn't able to watch Asia recently. Cannot trade Asia at all. Yeah, new sweep, new highs, days, and potential short on gold. I can try actually wait for gold until 12, but after 12, I'm not going to watch this. So we just took this low, still playing games because obviously we have major lower. It was like 11 points away. You think PM session is going to be reversal? I don't know yet. Hard to say. Because I feel like we overall drop into this weekly fair value gap. 582 is going to be my like weekly objective. Not okay, maybe not weekly objective, but target for the next 2 weeks. Anyway, nothing good for me just yet. Funny how actually gold inside consolidation since 8:30 a.m. We trade in really small range. How big range actually? Let me see. It's not even 10 points range since 8:40 8:30 a.m. Maybe that's why I don't see something solid yet. We cannot really break this range. We took previous day high level, but what happened? We just did trade back to the range and that's it. I will finish at 11 to continue editing video because I already have M2 model recorded with backtest included there. So I would rather to spend my time on editing the video. But NQ needs to drop to this major low, and ES needs to drop to monthly open. Then probably it will stuck and it's just going to die inside consolidation until PM session. And PM session might be continuation, by the way. Depends what they want to do today. Like they want to drop today and finish this move down to weekly fair value gap by the end of this week, or it's going to retrace to drop maybe next week. Depends on sweep, you know. For example, on gold, while I was watching, like compare this. We got potential sweep over here, but we didn't get any potential sweeps over here on 30-minute chart, right? Obviously, I cannot use 30-minute chart. I need to use hourly chart. And that's it. It's okay. So overall gold is choppy. In Q, even like in Q was okay. Like maybe okay, big stop loss, like big ranges, but overall all our ideas play out today. We were looking like for short from this level. It's immediately play out. And another short opportunity was over here. It didn't play out just yet, but still, it's about to play out. Like overall, it offered two ideas today with huge stop loss, but still, it wasn't bad. If someone is going to say NQ was garbage, it wasn't garbage. Like, prove me opposite, like why it was garbage. It was okay today. Cannot say it was bad price action. Yeah, maybe sometimes when gold is consolidating, makes sense to switch to on NQ to see what is going on there or any other assets, you know. Yes, approaching monthly open. Yeah, took major low. Just took forever to do this. Look at this 30-minute and hourly candles. That's crazy displacement. Huge expansion down. But it's okay. It's okay. Daily open. I'm going to delete this. Like, I will not believe it's going to retrace to daily open again. Okay, we took major low. Doesn't mean like we are going to reverse from there. I still bearish. I was bearish on the day from the very beginning, but I really want to see the tracement higher first. Short from flower for value gap could be way better, but once again, it is what it is. Okay, gold just break above AM session liquidity level, right? I'm going to delete OT just for now. Kitty as well. What is? But probably gold wants to be just bullish today. After it failed to provide order block on 5-minute chart, it provided 30-minute sweep. I believe it was 2R, but once again, I wouldn't engage in this anyway. Let's see. Yeah, just hit 2R. Mm-hmm. But still. Yeah, it's already wrong time to trade gold. I'm not going to touch this. I will wait for 10:50 marker, and if nothing is going to happen on NQ, I'm going to be done for the day, and I will continue making video about M2 model. It's better to spend time on something more useful. Yeah. Just let's see how this 10:50 marker is going to play. Next buy side liquidity at 34.03. I don't know if it's going to be hit today, but interesting displacement, so actually might be hit today. It's not valid anymore. It's last day was on Sunday. So this means right now they have 40% off and no activation fee plus daily payouts. But on Sunday, last day was they will return 100% of your evaluation cost after first payout. Nope, unfortunately. Oh, you're welcome. So yeah, deal is over. Now I'm going to just stay away. It's okay. I will try on Friday because I will not be able to trade tomorrow. Maybe PM session will offer something, but most likely I'm not going to touch this. Yes, needs to take monthly open. It's it's like 8 points away so far. Let's see if it's going to take this level. But I know, I don't like it. Interesting. Here is 5-minute chart. I wouldn't say it was obvious shorts over here and over here on 5-minute chart. On 3-minute chart, okay. Let's see on 1-minute chart. On 1-minute chart, okay, by the way, as well. Okay, it was okay on 1-minute chart and 3-minute chart, but it wasn't that obvious on 5-minute chart. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to disconnect accounts, I guess. Unless I see something like nice, but I don't see something nice just yet. Yeah, I was talking about in Q. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to continue making video for you guys to post this week about M2 model. Yeah, that's it. I will try to trade PM session, maybe lunch, but for now I'm going to just edit the video. Guys, I will see you on Friday because tomorrow I'm going to Miami for one day. I will see you on Friday for pre-market trade. I hope gold is going to offer something for pre-market because last week it was nice. Even on Monday it was nice. Yeah, guys, enjoy your day. Don't make stupid mistakes. Trade smart, not hard, right? Thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you on Friday, guys. Bye, everyone.